Okay, feeling nice and relaxed. Take a few cleansing breaths. Allow yourself to become interested again in participating in a brand new experience so that you can create more results. And I'm going to suggest you can close your eyes right now. And there was a deep state of relaxation that you found yourself in last week. This might be a good time to go back there. Back into that same deep relaxation. You could do it as fast as you like. And you can try a little bit harder to get there even faster. Deep inside your own mind. Knowing that you really enjoyed the story of the two frogs. And even the story of the two angels touched your heart. And something wise landed in your mind about the story of the two monks. I think you have permission now to expand your awareness and to allow that wellness comes from all directions, beyond your control. Relax your mind deeper. Relax into the comfort of the chair. The familiarity of the music helps you settle. Today the music travels inside your mind, relaxing inside of your head, almost like it's circling its way down, relaxing your cheeks, cleansing your throat, dancing calmness inside your chest. A nice flow down both arms. Feeling all relaxed to your fingertips. And this music travels down your chest, around your stomach, around your lower back, relaxing through your hips, even inside the muscles and the bones and the tendons down your legs, relaxing around your shins and your calves, all the way to your toes. Feeling all relaxed and comfortable. Each breath that you breathe leads you into your own level of comfort. Now I want you to double this relaxation, double it right now. How nice it is to know that you don't need to put any effort to make any more small changes. You know now that things just happen organically, naturally, when you give them permission. And to be vulnerable right now is to be open to a new way of being. And if ever there was a time that a seed landed in your mind and you watered it with thoughts, thoughts of wanting, striving, needing, perhaps this seed grew into a flower of a critical voice, which obeyed your needs to be better than before, to strive, to achieve, to prove and to obey. And you continued perhaps to water this flower, this critical voice, and to nourish it with more thoughts, new expectations and rules. And it was planted now firmly in your mind. When you look back at your life and through all your wonderful achievements, even the harshness of your critical voice was there to assist you and perhaps to protect you. There comes a time in your life where the seasons change. And you choose no longer to be governed by this critical voice, as every plant, every flower eventually grows old and tired. Could it be that it's not you that wants to stop this critical voice? Could it be that this critical voice is telling you that it's no longer needed? Its job is done. In fact, it's ready for redundancy. But it wishes not to leave you with a vacated space. In fact, it invites you to plant a brand new seed right this minute. Be with my voice, follow my words. Some people plant new seeds of positivity. Some plant calmness. Some plant self-love, self-acceptance. I don't know which seed you wish to plant. Use your own mind's eye to make that decision right now. And use your mind's eye to say goodbye to the old critical plant that you once nourished, fed, and sheltered with a kind smile. It can just vanish into a black and white image, becoming small, round. You almost notice it's 3 meters away from you now, vanishing into a speck of nothing. And you allow a moment to accept that it's gone. And beautifully it was gone in agreement. You didn't even need to fight. Notice the calmness as you breathe. And I don't know which seed you're planting now in that vacated spot. And I don't know what color your seed is, but you do. Allow the sunshine to penetrate your mind, to offer love and energy as you protect it from harsh winds. Feed it with your new thoughts, your new voice. Notice how much calmer the voice that it creates just for you. It's filled with sweetness, compassion. It's not your critical voice anymore. It's now your companion. So there, as you feed it thoughts to strengthen, And even this audio will just build it even stronger each time you listen. And you'll feed it thoughts of acceptance and love, kindness, just like a true, internal, thoughtful companion, where it will give you courage, it will help you forgive, it will help you redirect focus, it will help you just be you. It will be with you through your mistakes, just to let you know it's okay. It may tell you to slow down sometimes, and to see things through a different perspective, as things are not as they seem. And when the external world is harsh, it will teach you to be like a deaf frog. And if it notices that you're carrying things for too long, it will remind you to let things go. It will teach you to breathe. It will teach you to just be organic, natural, and kind. And already you notice how it's grown, and it already has its foundations embedded in your mind. It has its own beauty, and you just can't wait to go through each and every day, beginning today, with your new companion. So take some nice, refreshing, organic breaths. You can't help but to put a nice, kind, gentle smile on your face. There's a peaceful enthusiasm as you slowly, gently, and kindly open your eyes and just stare out in front of you, acknowledging yet again another pathway to your wellness. Just like that.